These are the 5 building blocks to create an enterprise-grade business application. You will need to create a data model, create the user experience, create business rules, create the business process, and create relevant reports. In this demonstration, we will create an app for life business of an insurance company. Let us start by creating the data model. Here you will define all data fields which is needed by this application to create, present and process data. We will provide an appropriate name to the data model. We will create all the data fields. Depending on what information you want to capture from the user, you can create appropriate fields with data type. Keep doing this until you have defined all the data fields. You can create multiple data models based on your business and functional needs. Next, we will create the user experience for every touch point, where we need to capture or present data to the user. We will need to select the data model we just created. Let us give this e-form an appropriate name. Select all attributes which you want to use in this form. You can now design the layout and user interface based on your preference. Once you are happy with what you see, publish the form. Similarly, you can create user interfaces for all user touchpoints of this app. Let us now define the business rules. We are creating a business rule which will auto-underwrite all policy applications where the insured age is below 25 years, has no medical history, and whose income is more than $100,000. Click on Expression Builder. Define your conditions. Define the actions. And publish the rule. This will ensure the policy is automatically issued if it meets this criteria, else it goes for manual underwriting. Keep adding business rule based on requirement for your app. Next, we will design the business process needed for this app. Here you design the flow of activities for this app. You can drag and drop human as well as system activities. You can create swim lanes for appropriate user roles of this app. Define the flow, validation, and conditions using gateways. Once you have defined the flow, you need to add functionality for each activity. Double-click on each activity to view all configuration options. For this activity, we will define the user role, form, escalations, and threshold. You can configure various properties based on the activity type. Do this for all the activities in your process. Once done, you will have to save and publish the process. Finally, let us design custom reports and dashboards. Select the app you want to create the report for. Drag all the attribute you want to analyze. Select the form of charts you need for this report. Once you are happy with the representation and the data, you can publish the report. This is how we create an enterprise-grade app in iLeap. We created data models, created user interfaces, Created business processes. Created business rules and reports. Do write to us to learn how you can create your business app in record time, or just get a demo from one of our product consultants.